everyone, it's me Ritika Gautam from Bharati Group of College Durg. Today my topic is mind, body, soul and spirit connection. It's going to be a really very interesting topic because it was related to us, and this video lecture is for BTech first year student. Let's see. We all heard the word mind, body, soul, spirit. We know they describe aspect of a human being. But do we ever stop to think about what this word really mean? Is there is a mind, body, soul and spirit connection? It must be true that anything directly affecting a person in one of this area must affect all other area also. For example, disease affecting the body must also affect the mind, soul and the spirit. We are all human beings and our components part, while all are related to each other. So let's see one by one. See, body. What do you understand by term body? Actually, body is the physical aspect of a human being. It consists roughly 50 trillion cells to make tissue, nerves, bones and organs. The body expresses itself in the language of matter, atoms, particles, molecules, etc. And what is mind? Mind, brain, dimag. A mind is the mental aspect of the human being. The mind processes thoughts and ideas as well as feelings and emotions. We have two types of mind level, the conscious mind and subconscious mind. Such as thinking and reasoning are functions of a conscious mind, and believing or behavior pattern, feelings, emotions and memories are a part of subconscious mind. Now let's see the soul. Soul is the non-physical aspect of human being. We cannot see our soul. It's inside us. But the soul is that part of us that longs to have meaning and seeks answers to the great questions like, who am I? मैं कौन हूँ, मैं यहाँ क्यों हूँ और मेरा क्या कारण है यहाँ रहने का. The soul communicate through creative expressions. Now, spirit. Spirit is the vital force within all things. Or you can say, spirit may be called God, Ishwar, and spirit may be called as a creator. Spirit, it is noted that the mind is part of a soul, and in some case for our better understanding we pull out the mind from the soul to study it a deep better. Sometimes there are many theories say that our mind and soul are same, but it's not true. It's not true. Spirit is the energy which comes from us. It is a strength that is responsible for a person's mood. See, body, mind, spirit and soul, they all are interrelated to each other. If one is affected, then definitely other also get affected. कैसे हम अपने दिमाग, हम अपनी आत्मा सबको अच्छा रखें, ठीक रखें, ग्रो कराएं, कैसे उनको रेस्ट कराएं, तो उसका सिर्फ एक ही मार्ग है, होलिस्टिक अप्रोचेस, that includes meditations. Meditation is the only way to heal soul, body, spirit, mind. So doing meditation means growing these four aspects together, making healthy from inside. So meditation is very necessary for healing all the problems which comes. So I hope you all understand the meaning of soul, body, spirit. So thank you.